Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to introduce Makita AC impact driver, the model TD0101F. This model maximum torque 100 Newton meter. It have LED auto start when you connect electric. It automatic start. It have variable speed. Here also have logo variable speed. Impact per minute 0 to 3200. Voltage 230 to 240 voltage, and wattage 230 wattage. It's lightweight, but it's DC, so sometimes for using outside you have to use the extension cord, and this motor use the carbon brush. So I will fastening screw. I have wood screw, this type, head, and wood screw Phillips, and also metal. Head and metal Phillips. This maintenance kit are using for testing DC. This is DC drill and impact driver, but in this video I introduce AC tap. I put my phone on stand and I will fastening screw to solve. And this is height for the screw, and also Phillips screw bit with magnet. Not loose. Okay. And the motor easy to change. Okay. I fastening screw on the metal first. Then boot. It don't have automatic or assist mode. That's why it not fit when you tie the screw bit with the screw. If you not fit it, it will not good like a fastening like this. So I recommend TD11D is better. I change. This screw. For high screw is Thanks for watching. If you have any comment or want to see any model, please comment below. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.